Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off personalized recommendations in the booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the booking app, and here it opens up in the search menu where we can look for accommodations. From here we just tap on profile, then scroll down, tap on settings, and here we tap on personalized recommendations, and here we can turn it off. So thereby the app isn't going to give us recommendations personalized for our tastes, but it's going to recommend us all kinds of different things, and then we can just explore and find what we like. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.